first two video before you watch this lesson. Part of synthetic division, and now we have to discuss the factoring. To factor the result of the division problem, x cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10 divided by x minus 5. Number 1, from the synthetic division, we found the quotient to be x squared plus x minus 2 and the remainder to be 0. This means x cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equals to x minus 5 times x squared plus x minus 2. Number 2. Now that to factor the quadratic x squared plus x minus 2, we look for two numbers that multiply to negative 2 and add to 1. These numbers are 2 and negative 1. Thus, we can factor the quadratic as x squared plus x minus 2 is equals to x plus 2 times x minus 1. Number 3. Substitute the factored quadratic back in the expression. X cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equals to x minus 5 times x plus 2 times x minus 1. So, the fully factored form of x cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10 is x minus 5 times x plus 2 times x minus 1. Part 2 of long division. Now, we have discussed two-factor theorem. Now, use the factor theorem to factor x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 1. Test if x minus 1 is a factor of x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 1 by substituting x is equals to 1 into the polynomial. 1 raised to 3 minus 2 times 1 squared plus 2 times 1 minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. Since the result is 0, x minus 1 is a factor. Number 2. Divide x squared, x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 using synthetic division. The quotient is x squared minus x plus 1 and the remainder is 0. Thus, x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 1 is equals to x minus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. Number 3. Rewrite the original polynomial using the factored form. X raised to 4 minus 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1 times x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 1 is equals to x minus 1 times x minus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1 is equals to x minus 1 squared times x squared minus x plus 1. Number 4. Check if x squared minus x plus 1 can be factored further. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac is equals to minus negative 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1 is equals to 1 minus 4 and is equals to negative 3. Since the discriminant is negative, x squared minus x plus 1 has no real roots and cannot be factored further using real numbers. Therefore, the factored form of x raised to 4 minus 3 x cubed plus 4 x squared minus 3 x plus 1 is x minus 1 squared times x squared minus x plus 1. That's all, kiddos. See you in another lesson. Good luck!